Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Technical Word. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of deepfake AI, the technology that's turning heads and sparking conversations. Buckle up as we take a quick journey through the magic and controversy of deepfakes. Let's go. Detective, the art of deception. Deepfake technology uses artificial intelligence to create hyper-realistic videos that can mimic voices and facial expressions. It's all about the art of making the unreal look eerily real. Meridian Globe, how it works. Behind the scenes, deepfake algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to replicate someone's appearance and behavior. It's a blend of technology, creativity, and a touch of digital wizardry. Thoughtful face, ethical dilemmas. As we marvel at the technological prowess, it's essential to discuss the ethical concerns. Deepfakes raise questions about privacy, misinformation, and the potential misuse of this powerful tool. Rocket, that wraps up our journey into the world of deepfake AI. It's undeniably impressive, but it also sparks crucial conversations about ethics and responsibility. What are your thoughts on deepfakes? Share them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech explorations. Until next time, tech enthusiasts, waving hand, sparkles,